Not only is the river approaching, but this giant maple fell on the house. How high's the water, Mama? It's getting pretty high, high as I've ever seen it. It's still coming. You know, luckily the house is dry for now, because it's way up there. The Nolichuckey here in Greene County is, wow, this road it's underwater now. It's crazy. This is the road just down from our house. I can't imagine it going up another 10 feet and getting to the house. But a tree fell on the house just a few hours ago anyway, so I don't think it really matters at this point, except we've got some, you know, chickens and ducks and turkeys up there and that we can't take with us tonight because we got to find another place to stay. This is nutty. It's nutty, and I hear more every time I hear a tree crackle. Whew. Damn it. Tractor's underwater. Oh my gosh, we're talking the barn's right here with all my stuff in it, and the water, which I would have never dreamed is right there. That's the road to get up to the barn. Oh man, I think it's gonna keep coming. Total disaster, total disaster. Got my batteries in here. My solar batteries are there. I'm gonna try and get everything off the ground that I can. I would have never dreamed that this river could get up here. Never, ever, ever. It's yeah, this is terrifying. I just asked Kingsley, hey man, the apple tree just fell and hit the back of the house. No damage, no big deal, but kind of a what? And Kingsley came out of the room 5 minutes later, BOW! Like a big maple tree just fell on the house right where he was. We're all okay, except for the house and that lawnmower and whatever else. We're all okay. Well, maybe not all of us. Hopefully everybody else is okay out there too. There's the house. That's the bus. Holy shit. Oh, the bus is moving. The bus is floating. The bus is floating. Oh my God. Oh my God, the house is gone. Oh my God. Oh my God. The trees are gone. It doesn't look anything like our home at all. It's all washed away. All the trees, the barn, the house. That's where the house was. Cabin. Yeah, the trees are still coming down, crackling. Barn's gone, all our tools. Hey, it ain't all bad. Look, our big jar of quarters. We didn't lose it all. Check it out. Oh, it's heavy. This thing's heavy, but it's like a buried treasure. Look at that. Sometimes you win even after you lose. We're all okay. Luckily this didn't happen at night while we were asleep. I consider that river my water. I consider it mine. I consider every ripple my consider it mine.
And the forest.
Found the barn and the house. Oof. There's the kitchen. We'll get in here real quick without hurting ourselves. That's not our refrigerator. Somebody else's refrigerator, but it looks like a big fuel tank just came through and wrecked it. But it looked like it was a pretty decent boat for a while, floated down. We're probably a quarter mile away from where it was.
Mama, remember, stay together, I said. What time I'm?
That's what we're doing. Staying together.
I consider that river my water. I consider it mine. I consider every ripple my water. I consider it mine. Consider that river my water. I consider it mine. I consider that river my water. I consider it mine. I consider that river my water. I consider it mine. I consider that river my water. I consider it. Consider that river my water. I consider it mine. I consider that river my water. I consider it mine. I consider that